Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you think it is important to keep the city clean?
Yes, it is critical to keep the city clean. Keeping the city clean is important for both public health and the environment.
Question number 2. What do you do when you see rubbish on the street?
Depending on the situation, the best thing to do is usually to pick up the trash and put it in a nearby bin.
Question number 3. Have you ever helped to keep your town clean and tidy?
Yes, I have contributed to the cleanliness of my community by picking up trash or volunteering to clean up parks and public spaces.
Question number 4. Why do some people throw garbage on the street?
Some people, I believe, throw garbage on the street because they do not consider the consequences of their actions or because they do not have access to a trash can. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.